Hi, this is Mrs. McCarthy. Today we are going over addition and other bases. For our first example, we're going to do the lattice. Lattice, you want to create columns to divide everything up. And you're just going to start top from bottom. 3 plus 8 equals 12. So you're going to put the 1 here and the 2 here. 5 plus 7 is 13. So you're going to put the 1 here and the 3 here. And then we add from there. 2 just comes down because it's on its own. You add diagonally, so you take 3 plus 1, which is 4, and bring down the 1. We're also in base 9. So our answer is 1, 4, 2, base 9. We're now going to cover base blocks in base 5. For this problem, we have 4, 3, 2, base 5, plus 1, 0, 4, base 5. We have 4 flats representing the 400ths, 3 rods representing the 30, and 2 units, plus 1 flat representing the 100, no rods, and 4 units. If we were to add these, we would have 5 flats, 3 rods, and 4 plus 2, 6 units. Since we're in base 5, we can have no numbers larger than 5. So we're going to need to regroup these units. So 5 to make a rod, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those regroup into a rod. 5 flats, we're going to have to regroup those into a cube. So we'll cross those out, make ourselves a cube. 4 rods, 1 unit left. This would equal 1,041 base 5. For our last example in addition, before we move on to subtraction, this is the traditional algorithm in base 16. A represents the number 10. E represents the number 14. So we add those to get 24. Since we're in base 16, we're going to need to regroup those. So 24 minus 16 is 18. So we drop that 8, regroup that 1. B represents the number 11. But since we have that regroup, we'll add 12 plus 8 to get 20. Being in base 16, we need to regroup that as well. So we'll minus 16 from the 20 to get 4. So that 4 belongs right here. And we had that regroup. So 7 plus 2 is 9, plus that regroup is 10. The number 10 is equal to A. So we have A, 4, 8, base 16 for our total answer. Our first example in subtraction is going to be base blocks in base 9. You're only ever going to want to draw out your first number. So we're going to have 7 rods and 2 units. We want to take away 36 from the 72. We don't have enough units to minus that 6, so we're going to regroup. We're going to take one of those and gain 9 units. And now we are going to minus 6 of those. And minus 3 of our rods. 1, 2, 3. So then we are left with 1, 2, 3 rods and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. To get 3, 5, base 9. Our last example in subtraction is called trade first. We have 9, 5 base 12 minus 4e base 12. We're going to start on the right side. E represents the number 14. We can't minus 5 from 14, so we're going to need to regroup. This becomes 8. Cross that out since we're in base 12. You add 5 to that, so we would have 17 minus e, which is 14. 17 minus 14 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. And drop down your base. So your answer is 4, 3, base 12.